Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. The molecule contains a 4-carbon chain with a carbonyl, C is equal to O, group at one end forming an amide, C is equal to O, NH, so the parent is butanamide, 4 carbons including the carbonyl carbon. Moving on to the next step. The carbonyl carbon is C1. Moving along the chain, C1, carbonyl, C2, CH2, C3, CH with Br, C4, CH3. Moving on to the next step. There is a bromine atom on C3 giving the locant 3-bromo. And for the final step, the nitrogen of the amide bears a bromine atom directly. NHBr means N is substituted with Br, giving N-bromo. Combining the N-bromo substituent, the 3-bromo substituent on the chain, and the parent butanamide gives N,3-dibromobutanamide. D is used because there are 2 bromine atoms total, 1 on N, 1 on C3. The parent chain has 4 carbons ending in amide. This is fully consistent with the structure drawn. Therefore, the correct answer is N,3-dibromobutanamide. The correct answer is shown on screen.